How to make a sticker on Telegram. Start by opening up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. On this page, go to the top and tap on Search. In the search bar, type in Stickers. Tap on Stickers from the results. Once you're here, tap on Start below to use this bot. You can check out this manual provided for details on creating stickers and emoji. Go to the Stickers and Mask section and tap on any option. For example, New Pack. This will help in creating a new sticker set. Now, choose a name for your set and type it in the message box. For example, Funny. Then, tap on Send beside. Now, you have to send them the sticker image file. Tap on the attachment icon beside the message box. Then, go to File below as shown. Tap on Select from Gallery. You can now choose photos or videos from your gallery. Select the sticker you want to add from here. Then, tap on Send below. After that, you have to send them an emoji that corresponds to your first sticker. Tap on the message box again. Then, tap on the emoji key in your keyboard. From here, select and send the emoji that best suits your first sticker. Now that you're done, simply send the /publish command. You can set an icon for your sticker set over here. Or you can skip this step if you want. After that, provide a short name for your set and send it. Now, tap on the sticker icon beside the message bar as shown. You will now find the sticker you just created over here. You can now share it with other Telegram users. Following these steps, you can easily make a sticker on Telegram.